Hey, have you ever felt like your business is being held together by 8 different apps, 5 spreadsheets, and a little bit of hope? You've got one tool for email, another for SMS, one for your website, one for booking calls, and nothing talks to each other. That's what most people call the Frankenstein tech stack, and it's exhausting. In today's video, I'm breaking down the platform that's quietly replacing all of those tools for thousands of agencies and small businesses in 2025. It's called GoHighLevel or GHL. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it is, who it's for, and whether it's worth your time. Let's dive in. Before GoHighLevel existed, this was normal. Paying $99 for a CRM, another $79 for email marketing, $59 for SMS, $97 for funnels, $49 for Calendly, and maybe $200 plus trying to connect everything with Zapier. That's easily $500 to $1,000 a month, and your data is still scattered everywhere. Leads fall through the cracks, follow-ups get missed, and you waste hours just logging into different dashboards. GoHighLevel said, "Let's fix this chaos." In simple terms, GoHighLevel is an all-in-one sales and marketing platform that combines everything you need to get leads, nurture them, close them, and keep clients happy, all under one roof. It's built especially for agencies, coaches, consultants, local businesses, and basically anyone who's tired of the Frankenstein stack. Here are the big ones every beginner should know. Full CRM, no more spreadsheets. Every contact, note, and conversation in one place. Drag and drop funnel and website builder. Online booking calendars, just like Calendly, but built-in and fully customizable. Reputation management. Automatically ask for Google and Facebook reviews and reply to them. Now here's the part that blows most people's minds. If you run an agency, you can white label the entire platform. That's why you see so many agency name CRM or agency name Pro popping up. 9 times out of 10 it's just GoHighLevel under the hood.